Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Rajesh Yadav, and in today's video we are going to learn special characters used in SAS. Let's move on to the next slide. This is about me and my experience. So I have more than 10 years of experience in SAS and I have multiple SAS certifications. Let's move on to the next slide. So guys, if you want to learn SAS from me, you can contact me on my email ID or you can directly WhatsApp me. Or if you are preparing for SAS interview and you want to get a real interview experience, you can contact me. Let's move on to the next slide. So this is the data set, doctor visit. We are going to use this in today's session. So this data set contains patient information. So this is person ID, first name, visit 1 to visit 6 when the patient visited to the doctor, and this is the fees for every visit: payment 1, payment 2, payment 3, payment 4, payment 5, payment 6. So this is not the invoice. So patient has not paid it, so we do not get to know if patient paid or not, but this is the quotation of fees. So the first visit a patient has to pay this one, second visit patient has to pay this one, third visit patient has to pay payment 3, payment 4, fourth visit, and so on. So here you can see the patient has not visited to doctor, but here we are seeing the fees. So that is the quotation. This is not the real fees patient has paid. I hope you understand this data set. Let's move on to the next slide. Okay, here is the first question. What is the use of single hyphen statement? So single hyphen means range. So if you want to give the range of variables in keep drop, you can use this one. Let's first see the answer. Single hyphen character is used to specify range of variables. Let's see the example. So in this data step, we are creating single hyphen data set and we are using SAS user.doctor visit data set to create single hyphen data set, and we are keeping visit 1 to visit 6 variables. So you can see if you want to keep 6 variable from visit 1 to visit 6, you need to specify visit 1, visit 2, visit 3, visit 4, visit 5, and visit 6. But if you use the range character, you just need to mention only two, first and last variables, and it will keep all 6 variables. Let's see the output. So here in the output you can see it has kept visit 1 to visit 6 variables. Let's move on to the next slide or next question. What is the use of double hyphen? Let's first see the answer. Double hyphen characters are used to specify consecutive set of variables. So double hyphen, if we want to keep multiple variables and they are not in sequence like visit 1 to visit 6, we can use double hyphen to keep the variables between two variables. Let's see the example. So here we are creating double hyphen data set with the help of SAS user.doctor visit data set. But this time what we are keeping, we want all the variables from person ID to visit 3. If we need to get all these variables, we need to specify one by one in keep. But here when we use double hyphen, we can get all the variables from person ID to visit 3. Let's see the output, what all variables will show. We are getting person ID, and after person ID we have first name, visit 1, visit 2, visit 3. So this way you need to specify only first variable and the last variable, and between all the variables it will show. Let's move on to the next slide. What is the use of colon? Let's first see the answer. Colon character is used to specify set of variables that have common start name. So if you have a variable that has starting part is common, like from visit 1 to visit 6 we have visit common, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 are just changing, and there is another variable we have pmt1 to pmt6. So pmt is the first part that is common in all 1 to 6, and 1 to 6 is only changing. So how we can keep this? Let's see the example. So we are creating data colon and we are copying again SAS user.doctor visit data set, and we are using keep statement, and we are saying that we want all the variables those start with pmt. So it will print all the variables where the starting three characters are pmt. Let's see the output. So the output data set is having variables pmt1, pmt2, pmt3, pmt4, pmt5, and pmt6. So by using these special characters in your programming, you can program quickly as well as you can program efficiently. I hope this is clear. Let's move on to the next. Alright guys, that's it in this session. If you like my session, please hit the like button or subscribe it. If any one of you want to learn SAS or preparing for SAS interview, you can contact me, and we'll meet in the next session. Till the time, bye and take care.